Jim Cramer's here answering your questions from social media. Jim, welcome back, by the way. And there's been a lot of talk about this negative interest rate idea, not in the U.S., but in other banks. So somebody writes in and says, listen, what's that going to do to bank stocks long term?
Well, it already happened. If you take a look at the Feb 10, Feb 11 bottom, that was when we felt like that perhaps we would have negative rates. The 10-year went to 1.6. It's now back to 1.9. I would just tell you, take it off the table. It's not going to matter in our country. In our country, what matters is the fact that Jamie Dimon came in and bought 500,000 shares at 53. And looking back, you realize that the bottom in the bank stocks was reached during that flight to quality period, and that they were trading much more off of a worry that Deutsche Bank was going to have some sort of event. If you take the events off the table, you have an earnings stream that's okay. You need rates to go higher for the stocks to continue to power higher. But negative interest rates is a European phenomenon, not an American phenomenon, and forget it here. It's not going to happen.
Jim, what's your outlook on healthcare stocks like HCA and Tenet?
Look, I think these stocks have come down a great deal, and they're kind of being re-rated. I don't have a catalyst to buy them. I like United Health. That's the company that seems to recognize where they can make money in Obamacare and where they can't. United Health's a buy.
How about Goodyear? It's been on the upswing. Sell or hold?
Goodyear tire's okay. I like Ford here. I think Ford's done going down. I like the China numbers too, which weren't that bad.
We had Kroger out with earnings last week. Is it a buy or sell?
I think that Kroger right here is a buy. I think that this was the first quarter they disappointed. People feel that they're probably done for now. 35, 36, I really like Kroger.
All right, Jim Cramer, thanks. Send your questions to Jim on Facebook or on Twitter. Use hashtag CramerQ. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.
To get more of Jim Cramer's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his multi-million-dollar charitable trust portfolio, subscribe to Action Alerts Plus. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at getcrameredge.com. That's getcrameredge.com.